Hey everyone, welcome back to another maths tutorial. In this lesson, we're learning about the sine and cosine rules. These rules help us find missing sides and angles in triangles that do not have a right angle. Let's start with the sine rule. The sine rule connects the sides and angles of any triangle. The rule says that the ratio of a side length to the sine of its opposite angle is the same for all three sides. That means A divided by sine A equals B, divided by sine B equals C divided. By sine CW, we can use this rule when we know two angles and one side, or two sides and one opposite angle. It's perfect for non-right angled triangles. Next is the cosine rule. The cosine rule is used when we know two sides and the included angle, or all three sides, and we need to find an angle. The formula is c squared equals a squared plus b squared minus 2ab times cosine of c. This looks similar to Pythagoras' theorem, but with the extra term, minus 2ab cosine. CWE can also rearrange this formula to find the angle instead of the side. Cosine c equals a squared plus b squared minus c squared divided by 2ab. Here's how to choose between the two rules. If you have a pair of side and opposite angle, use the sine rule. If you have two sides with the included angle, or all three sides, use the cosine rule. So, to summarize, the sine rule uses ratios of sides and angles. The cosine rule extends Pythagoras for any triangle. Together, they help us solve every triangle, not just right-angled ones. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more maths tutorials.